Hey guys, so quick video. If you got the Wildcraft suitcase, a lock, and you want to reset it, this is something I found on their official website. So once a lock combination is set, there is no way to recover or override it. If your lock is a 3-digit combination lock, please try all possible combination from 000 to 999, 000, 001, 002, 03 through to 999. You can also reach out to Wildcraft authorized repair center to reset your combination lock. So this is the only way that I found on their site. So the best thing you can do is that when you're gonna have the combination, what you can do, and this will sound may strange, but go to ChatGPT and say, I forgot my suitcase lock, and it can have 3 combinations from 00 to 999. Can you list me all possible combinations in order so I can try them? And now it's going to, and then you can just try, and one of it you're gonna hit it. I know it's going to sound strange, but this is the best thing you can do. And just use the ChatGPT and just go one by one, one by one, one by one. Listen to some podcast or something, and you got it.